Hey everyone, welcome back. It's Gene here again, still, and messing around in my garage. And today I'm going to install the hood that I purchased for my 1964 Impala. And here should be a photo of it, either in that corner, or that corner, or that corner, or that corner. You'll see it here somewhere. And I also got hood hinges, springs, and a latch for it. And I'm going to show you how I install the springs on these hood hinges. And it's no easy feat for a little guy like me. But I'm going to struggle through it and show you how I do this stuff. So here we go. So I was digging around all my Impala parts, and I remembered I bought a whole nuts and bolts kit for this car, and found my hood hinge bolts, also the latch bolts are with it. So yeah, all right, so I'm gonna go ahead and put these springs on. And, okay, first thing, tie a bowline in it so your knot does not get in the way of the spring. That way it doesn't like interfere with you pulling the spring up over the hook. That's number one. Okay, got my face shield on because I'm feeling like this is kind of dangerous. Well, it is dangerous. That was tough. Okay? All right, let's give this one a try. I'm putting my face shield on. Okay. Let's see, one, let's put that one. No, one go up. What does it matter? Fuck. Holy shit. I think I pulled a hammy. Okay. Getting too old for this shit. You know, guys, when I was younger, I could put those springs on in seconds. throw a rope on it, pull them on there, it could go right on. It's tough getting old, guys. Tough getting old. All right, we move on. Well, my buddy came over and helped me put this on. And it works. I just put the latch on and close it up for a while.